So let's go now to formula. Okay, so click the worksheet formula. Okay, so this one. So this is our table, our data. So Ebola response supply invoice. And then these are the tasks or the instructions. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Copy the formula in G17 to G18 up to G26. Okay? So, the formula is already there. It's given. So, G17 is here. And then, to copy this formula, so G17, okay, you must apply the formula here or copy up to here. Okay? So, go to G17 again. To copy is go to the right corner of the cell, lower part. You see the solid plus sign. And then drag it downward up to G26. After that, release the mouse. That's it. Okay? That is number 1. So, task number 2 or instruction number 2, calculate the total in G28 using sum. So, where is G28? So, this is G28. So, meaning, you're going to get the total of this. Okay? Using some function and then put the answer here. Okay? So, we will use the function here. Click the arrow down and then click sum. And then you highlight this cell, G17 up to G26. Okay? After that, you can see from here, G17 to G26. And then press enter. So that is the total. And then next task is calculate the total bill in G31 as total minus discount. Okay? So where is G31? So this is G31. So in order to get the total bill, what you will do is 15,648, that is the total minus discount. So that is the total bill. Okay? So we will create a formula here. So press equal from your keyboard and then click 15,648 here in this cell. That is G28, and then press minus from your keyboard and then click this cell. So that is G29. So as you can see, our formula is equal G28 minus G29. That is the total bill. So press enter. So that is the answer. Okay? So the next one, after number 3, we go now to number 4. Okay? Format unit cost discount. Okay? Format unit cost, discount, total bill, and total as US dollar currency. So meaning, unit cost, where is unit cost? So this one must be what? In US dollar. Discount must be in US dollar. Okay? Total or total bill must be in US dollar currency. So to do that, okay, let's start with unit cost. Highlight this, unit cost, and then from home tab, number, and then you see dollar here. Click the dollar sign here. And then next, total, you highlight this, and then click the dollar sign. And then for the total, so click this one, and then discount, and then total bill, and then click dollar sign. Okay? So now, instead of euro, all of them now in US dollar currency. Okay? So that is the last task.